So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the sound is coming from one side of your headphones, and if your headphones is still working perfectly. You have tested on different devices, but for your particular Windows laptop or computer, the sound is coming from one ear only. Now, in order to fix it, simply open the settings. Now, in the settings, you simply need to go to this option of system, click on sounds, click on scroll down and click on more sound settings. Once you click over there, you'll see this option of headphones. Double clicks on headphones, and here you'll see this option of level and this option that says balance. Click over there and make sure that the both of the values are on the same value. For example, the one is set to 56, other is set to 58. That will cause some different sound from both headphones, and make sure that no one is set to the lowest value, and that's definitely going to solve your problem. And if it does not, there might be a port failure in your laptop. That's a hardware problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.